Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is the third unit of your science book, the upper and lower layer of skin. Now, whenever we look at our body, we find skin all over. That means the skin covers our body. Now, what are the functions of skin? It protects us from external injury. It does not allow water loss. It gives us sensory feelings. It maintains our body temperature, and it also makes vitamin D. And vitamin D is very essential for our bones. Now here in this picture you can see the various layers of skin. The outermost layer is known as the epidermis, and over epidermis you will find that there are some skin hairs are there, and below the epidermis there is another layer which is thick. You can see this layer is thick in comparison to epidermis. That means epidermis is the thin layer and dermis is the thick layer, and under this dermis there is another layer which is known as subcutaneous layer. Now this is the skin. When we magnify, then we find the skin looks like this. Now this is a slide which is showing skin burn treatment. Whenever there is a skin burn, then there are certain things you will do and there are certain things which you will never do. So let us see what are the things which you will do. Firstly, you will hold the burnt area under tap water. This is the first thing. Secondly, you have to use antibiotic ointment over the burnt area. Thirdly, make some cool compress over that area, and if there is pain, then you can take some painkiller medicines. And if you find aloe vera gel which is excellent for skin problem healer, then you can apply that on that burnt area. And here are the things which you will never do. Firstly, you will never use any oil or butter over the burnt area. Don't use egg whites. Don't use toothpaste. And over the burnt area, you will find some water-filled blisters. Never prick those blisters. It will be a disaster. And don't use ice or very cold water over the burnt area, because that will damage the tissue. Here you can see these are the blisters. Now what are the things you will do whenever there is a blister? Blisters are a common complaint of walkers and runners. If you have started walking or running, switched your shoes or started doing longer workouts, you may get blisters on your feet and toes. And whenever you also wear new shoes, you will also experience such thing. A blister is a fluid filled sac caused by friction or by heat from a burn. And these are the things which you can do whenever there is a blister. You have to change your footwear, use proper footwear. You have to lubricate your feet so that there will be less friction, and whenever there is a less friction, there will be less possibility of developing blisters. You have to keep your feet dry, and you have to cover the problem spots. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood it. If you have any query, then do comment in the comment section box so that I can answer to your query. Thanks for watching this video.